A new chapter has begun in the BJP as Nitin Nabin took over as the new party president on Tuesday. At 45, he will be the youngest person ever to hold the party's top organizational post. No contest, no rival names, just a clear signal from the top. 37 sets of nomination papers were filed in his support. They came from across the country, states, union territories, and the parliamentary party, including Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The message was unmistakable. This is a consensus choice. Union Ministers Amit Shah, Rajnath Singh, Nitin Gadkari, Dharmendra Pradhan, Bhupendra Yadav, Kiren Rijiju, and Hardeep Puri all backed him. So did outgoing President JP Nadda. Chief Ministers and state BJP presidents lined up behind the nomination. This was not a routine handover, this was a planned transition. Nitin Nabin will be the BJP's 12th president, and his appointment marks a generational shift in more than one way.
आज के दिन मैं अपने क्षेत्र की जनता को भी प्रणाम करता हूं, जिसने मुझे एक विधायक के रूप में चुना जरूर, पर संगठन ने मुझे जिस प्रकार से गढ़ने का काम किया, आज मैं इसी कारण से उस जनता के आशीर्वाद और पार्टी के मार्गदर्शन के कारण यहां तक पहुंच पाया हूं। आज का क्षण मेरे लिए संकल्प का क्षण है। आज सिर्फ एक पद को धारण नहीं कर रहा हूं, मैं पार्टी के इस विचार को, परंपराओं को, एक राष्ट्रवादी आंदोलन की जिम्मेदारी को स्वीकार कर रहा हूं। और मैं इस अवसर पर साथ अपने सभी वरिष्ठ कार्यकर्ताओं को भी प्रणाम करता हूं।
For a party often described as cadre-driven, this moment matters. Nabin represents a younger political generation, one that has grown within the organization, one that has risen through party work, not through entitlement. A five-time MLA from Bihar, Nabin entered politics early. After his father, veteran BJP leader Nabin Kishore Prasad Sinha passed away in 2006, he was asked to contest a by-election. He was still an engineering student at BIT Mesra. He won and he was not lost as election since. From Patna West to Bankipur, he has remained electorally undefeated. He served as Bihar's road minister, later as Minister for Urban Development, Housing and Law and Justice. Alongside governance, he built organizational muscle. Inside the party, his journey is equally significant. From the Bharatiya Janata Yuva Morcha to national level responsibilities, Nabin has worked the ground. He handled key organizational roles in states like Chhattisgarh and Sikkim. In Chhattisgarh, he played a crucial role in campaigning strategy and organizational cohesion. The BJP returned to power there in 2023. Now the stakes are much higher as party president Nabin will steer the BJP through a packed electoral calendar. Assembly elections in West Bengal, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Assam and Pondicherry. A long pending organizational overhaul and preparation for the 2029 general election. That election will raise the biggest question of all, the future leadership of the BJP in the post-Modi era. From a larger perspective, Nabin's appointment carries a broader message. While opposition parties are often criticized for family-driven leadership and closed power structures, the BJP is protecting internal democracy and generational renewal. Senior leaders point to the Sangathan Parv as proof. Leadership selection from the booth level to the national level. Transparent, participatory, structured. Nabin's rise also sends a message beyond party lines to younger voters, to Gen Z, to aspiring leaders watching from the sidelines. This was echoed by leaders like Anurag Thakur, who called it a signal from Prime Minister Modi inviting young Indians into politics. Bihar's Deputy Chief Minister Samrat Chaudhary described it as a proud moment for the state and the party.
आज 15 अगस्त 2024 के दिन जब माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी ने आज भी उसकी चर्चा की, और 15 अगस्त 2024 को जब लाल किले की प्राचीर से माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी ने युवाओं को सार्वजनिक जीवन में आने का आह्वान किया, तो मैं देश के युवाओं से कहना चाहूँगा, राजनीति से दूरी समाधान नहीं, सक्रिय भागीदारी ही समाधान है। आइए एक सकारात्मक राजनीति के लिए युवाओं को आगे आने की आवश्यकता है। लेकिन साथ ही साथ मैं युवा साथियों से कहूँगा, मेरे भाइयों, राजनीति शॉर्टकट नहीं है, राजनीति 100 मीटर का रेस नहीं है, राजनीति लॉन्ग मैराथन है, जहां स्पीड का नहीं स्टेमिना का टेस्ट होगा। तो आइए राजनीति के इस पिच पर हम अपनी जड़ों को मजबूत कर काम करें। और भारतीय जनता पार्टी का वॉच टावर तो बहुत स्ट्रांग होता है मित्रों। इसलिए आप अपने बूथ में निरंतर रूप से काम करते रहिए, अपने मंडल में काम करते रहिए। भाजपा का वॉच टावर, भाजपा का केंद्रीय नेतृत्व इतना मजबूती तरीके से हर पारी से नजर रखता है, कहीं ना कहीं आपको भी उस मुकाम तक पहुंचाएगा।
Notably, Nitin Nabin was not a name doing the rounds in political gossip. That itself is telling. The choice appears deliberate, quiet, and controlled. For the BJP, this is not just about age, it is about continuity with change, experience with energy, organization with outreach. As Nitin Nabin steps into the spotlight, the message is very clear. The BJP is planning ahead and it wants the next decade to look younger, sharper, and firmly rooted in the organization.